Our planet, a vibrant sphere teeming with life, holds countless secrets. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountain peaks, mysteries abound. But perhaps the most overlooked wonder exists right beneath our feet, a silent, sprawling kingdom, a realm dominated by plants. It's a world we often overlook, a green tapestry woven into the very fabric of our existence. This world of plants is anything but passive. It's a dynamic and complex society. It's a realm of constant communication, intricate relationships, and surprising intelligence that challenges our very understanding of life. Plants adapt to every environment, from the scorching deserts to the frozen tundra, not through brute force or aggressive dominance, but through a subtle language of chemical signals and electrical impulses, a language we're only beginning to understand. Beneath the stillness of the forest floor, there's a dynamic exchange of information, a constant flow of messages. Leaves send alarms, warning of danger and coordinating defense strategies, while roots form alliances, sharing resources and supporting each other through times of scarcity. Entire communities work together to survive, creating a complex and interconnected web of life. Today, we'll explore the chemical whispers that travel through the air and soil, the electrical impulses that race through plant tissues, and the vast fungal networks that connect this vast green empire, facilitating communication and resource sharing on a grand scale. Let's dive into the hidden communication web of the plant kingdom and uncover the secrets of this silent yet incredibly vibrant world. Imagine a peaceful meadow, bathed in sunlight. Here, a seemingly harmless caterpillar is hard at work, munching away on a lush tobacco leaf. It seems like a simple act of nature, a creature feeding to survive. But don't be fooled. This isn't a one-sided affair. The plant isn't helpless. It's far from it. It's about to unleash a secret weapon, sending out a chemical SOS into the surrounding environment. The damage caused by the caterpillar's relentless chewing triggers a cascade of events within the plant. Damaged cells trigger a cascade, releasing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, a complex mixture of chemicals. These VOCs act as a warning signal, a chemical message broadcast to nearby plants, alerting them to the impending danger. Neighbors detect these signals, sensing the subtle changes in the air around them, and upon receiving the warning, they ramp up their own defenses, preparing for the inevitable onslaught. The plants begin producing toxins to deter the caterpillar, making their leaves less palatable and even poisonous. But the message isn't just for plants. The VOCs carry information far beyond the immediate plant community. Predatory wasps, natural enemies of the caterpillar, sense the VOCs, using their sensitive antennae to detect the faint chemical trail. They begin zeroing in on the caterpillar, following the scent of the distressed plant. The plant has effectively summoned its own bodyguards, calling in reinforcements to deal with the herbivorous threat. This chemical conversation is a life and death drama, a complex interplay of signals and responses. It's a constant negotiation, shaping the balance of life in the meadow, influencing who thrives and who struggles. Plants don't just endure the challenges thrown their way. They actively manipulate their environment, using sophisticated chemical strategies to gain an advantage. They recruit allies, forging partnerships with other organisms to protect themselves. And they warn their kin, sharing vital information to ensure the survival of the community. A silent scream, carried on the wind, a chemical whisper spreading through the meadow. This intricate network of communication keeps the community safe, ensuring the continued prosperity of this vibrant ecosystem. In the face of danger, timing is everything. Some threats require an immediate response, a burst of action that can mean the difference between survival and succumbing to the environment. Plants, though seemingly passive, possess a sophisticated system for rapid communication. They use electrical signals, a language of their own, to coordinate responses across their structure. These are not slow, meandering processes. Instead, they are rapid pulses of energy racing through their tissues, carrying urgent messages from one part of the plant to another. The Venus flytrap, a carnivorous marvel, showcases this ability with remarkable precision. A mere 2 touches to its sensitive trigger hairs generate electrical impulses, setting off a chain reaction within the plant. This triggers the trap to snap shut in a split second, ensnaring its unsuspecting prey with incredible speed. But this isn't limited to exotic species. Even common plants, like the tomatoes we find in our gardens, exhibit similar capabilities. When a leaf is wounded, the plant doesn't simply stand still. It will send electrical waves from a wounded leaf, alerting the whole plant to the potential danger, preparing it for further attacks. This internal alarm system ensures rapid, coordinated defense, allowing the plant to respond effectively to threats. Plants constantly monitor, process, and react to their environment with surprising speed, showcasing a level of awareness we are only beginning to understand. Their silent, crackling network reveals a hidden layer of activity, a constant exchange of information that governs their behavior. Plants are far from simple. Their inner workings are a testament to the power of natural engineering. They're highly responsive and aware, constantly adapting to the world around them in ways that continue to amaze scientists. Beneath the forest floor lies the mycorrhizal network, a living web of fungal filaments connecting plant roots. Plants trade sugars for nutrients with fungi, creating a superhighway for resources and information. Mother trees send carbon to shaded saplings, nurturing the next generation. When attacked, plants send chemical alarms through the network, alerting neighbors, even across species. The forest acts as a single, interconnected superorganism. This hidden network is the foundation of the ecosystem's strength. Collaboration, not competition, sustains the forest. Can plants remember or learn? Evidence says yes, though not like us. The sensitive plant, Mimosa pudica, learns to ignore harmless drops, conserving energy, but still reacts to new threats. This memory can last weeks. Spinach that survives drought remembers and responds faster to future stress. Plants store these memories in their cells, adapting to survive. Without brains, they encode and recall information through chemical and electrical changes. Plants are dynamic learners, shaped by experience. Do plants feel pain? Not in the way animals do. They lack brains and pain receptors, but plants are far from indifferent. They detect harm and launch complex stress responses. When injured, they release chemicals, send electrical signals, and activate defenses. Some researchers argue these responses hint at a form of awareness. Plants don't suffer, but they fiercely protect themselves. Their reactions are purposeful, urgent, and vital for survival. Plants are active participants in their own fate. Plant communication goes beyond chemistry and electricity. Some research suggests they use sound and light, too. Stressed plants emit ultrasonic pops, possibly warning signals, though we're still learning if others hear them. Plants also sense and respond to changes in light, detecting shade from neighbors and growing to outcompete them. They read the light spectrum, triggering strategic growth. Some roots may even sense light channeled underground. Plants' world is filled with signals we can't perceive. Their silent strategies shape every ecosystem. Understanding plant communication is revolutionizing agriculture and conservation. By decoding plant signals, we can create smarter, more sustainable farms using fewer chemicals and responding to stress before crops suffer. Fostering healthy fungal networks boosts yields and resilience naturally. In forests, protecting mother trees and fungal webs is key to ecosystem health. Plants inspire new technology, distributed networks, resource management, and more. This knowledge deepens our respect for nature and our place in it. Protecting plant life means securing our own future. The hidden kingdom of plants is complex, active, and interconnected. From chemical cries to electrical alerts and underground networks, plants are in constant conversation. They're dynamic architects of our world, not passive scenery. Learning their language changes how we see nature and ourselves. Which plant secret surprised you most? Share in the comments, like, and subscribe for more Earth mysteries. See you next time. Keep growing your curiosity.